This morning meditation is designed to help you start your day strong. If this helps you find focus today, hit like so more people can find it. Find a comfortable seat, maybe at the edge of your bed or somewhere with morning light. Sit tall, but easy. Let your shoulders roll back once. Then let them stay there. When you're ready, close your eyes. Take a slow inhale through the nose. And a longer exhale through the mouth. Each exhale lets go of what you carried from yesterday. Each inhale brings in something fresh. Oxygen, clarity, energy. You don't need to force focus. Just let the morning breathe through you. Bring your attention to your body waking up, the subtle hum behind your eyes. The heartbeat steady and alive in your chest. The weight of your hands resting on your legs. This is your foundation, solid, present, ready. Now imagine your day ahead like a path in front of you. Clear, open, lit by soft morning light. You don't need to see every turn, just the first few steps. Feel your breath as your rhythm from that path. Steady, grounded. Each inhale, energy building. Each exhale, tension falling away. Now bring to mind one simple intention for today. Not 10 things, just one. Maybe it's patience. Maybe it's focus. Maybe it's confidence. Say it quietly in your mind. Then let it sink in, like ink spreading through water. You don't need to chase energy. You become energy when you align your breath, your mind, and your purpose. Start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. The light behind your eyelids, the air moving in the room. Take one last strong breath in. And open your eyes. Let the world come into focus again. Grounded, clear, ready to start strong. If this helps you begin your day with presence, subscribe for more Mindfulete meditations. I begin the day grounded, focused, and ready